In this typing helper tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an account / log in to your account. So we use a feature that is called Magic Link. And what that means is when you sign up or sign in, you simply enter the email address that you want to use. In this case, I'm going to type in my Gmail email address. And then I'm going to click on Send Magic Link. Automatically, you will see that it says Magic Link sent, check your email. And then you want to go to your email inbox. It doesn't matter if you are a new customer or an existing customer, the process is identical. You do not need to remember a password or save a password. It's all done through the Magic Link feature. You're going to see the email right here. And in some cases, you might want to check, in case you're not seeing it straight away, check your spam folder or your trash folder. It may be there. So just double check in case you're not seeing it. Now we're going to click into it, and then you're going to notice this thing right here, which is login instantly. This Magic Link expires in 15 minutes. You're going to click on this button, and it's going to automatically log you in, verifying your login and login successful, and it redirects you to the dashboard. Now, if you have a free account, you just signed up, you're going to see a little upgrade button right here. And if you already are on the paid plan, then you're not going to see it because you are on the paid plan.